Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Walk English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Bella.
Hey, Bella, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It feels great to be back today.
It really does. So good to see you. How are you feeling this morning, Jimmy?
I'm feeling fantastic, thank you. I had a really nice breakfast earlier. Such a good start.
A solid breakfast always sets the tone. How about the rest of your morning?
Going smoothly so far? What about you?
I'm great, thanks. I'm excited about today's topic. I think it's going to be very, very useful for everyone listening.
Me too. It's the kind of topic that can change your entire day. Ooh, now I'm curious. I'm ready. What are we diving into?
Today, we're talking about the morning.
The morning.
Yes, how to build a good, productive morning.
Ah, a productive morning. What exactly does productive mean, Bella?
Great question. Productive means you're doing meaningful things. You're using your time well.
I like that. So a productive morning is one where you feel strong and you actually do good things.
Exactly. A morning that helps you feel happy, focused, and ready for your day.
I love that idea. But Bella, sometimes my morning is slow. I feel tired. My bed is so warm.
I know that feeling. It can be hard to leave the covers, but we've got some easy tips to help everyone.
Easy tips? I'm all in for easy tips.
Yes, we're going to talk about a morning routine.
A routine? What's a routine?
A routine is a plan, doing the same good things every morning.
Ah, a plan for my morning. That sounds smart. Okay, I want to learn.
Great. But before we jump into the plan, we have a small favor to ask everyone listening.
Yes, if you're enjoying the podcast and having fun, please take a second to click the like button. It really helps us a lot.
And please subscribe to Talk Walk English. It's free, and you'll get all our new episodes so you won't miss anything. Share this episode with your friends too. If your friend is learning English, maybe they want a good morning as well.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Your support is amazing. It makes us very happy.
Okay, Jimmy, I'm ready. Let's build the best morning ever. What's step one?
Okay, so you wake up, the alarm rings, beep, beep, beep.
Yep, I open my eyes.
What's the first thing you want? For a lot of people, it's coffee.
Yes, me. I want coffee right away. The smell is irresistible.
Coffee is wonderful. I love coffee too. But hold on, we have a tip. There's something more important before the coffee.
Before coffee? Wow, what is it?
Water.
Water. Just plain water?
Yes, a big glass of water. Think about it, Bello. How long do you sleep? 7 or 8 hours?
Yes, quite a long time.
Your body gets no water for all those hours. Your body wakes up thirsty.
Thirsty, yes. It needs water, and my brain is thirsty too.
Exactly. Your brain needs water to think clearly. Water helps your brain switch on. It helps you feel focused.
Oh, so water is like fuel for my brain, like gas for a car.
Exactly. Perfect comparison. It's fuel. So, step 1. Before coffee, drink 1 big glass of water.
Got it. A big glass of water. Should it be super cold?
Room temperature is great. Not too cold, not too hot. Just water. It helps your body start smoothly.
This is a very easy first step. I can do this. Water first, coffee later.
You got it. Hydrate your brain first.
Okay, I drink my water. I feel more awake already. What's step 2?
Step 2 is move your body.
Move? Oh no, you mean go to the gym, run 5 kilometers? It's too early.
No. It can be super simple. You only need 10 minutes.
10 minutes. I can manage 10 minutes.
Yes, you can stretch. Reach your arms up high. Touch your toes.
Ah, yes. Stretching feels so good for my back and neck.
Exactly. Or you can walk a little. Maybe walk in your home or in your garden for 10 minutes.
Okay. Or Bella style, can I dance?
Yes, dance. I love that. Put on one happy song and dance in your kitchen. That's a perfect way to move.
I'll do that. So, why is moving important?
Moving wakes up your body and your brain.
Ah, just like the water.
Yes, the water helps the inside, the moving helps the outside and the inside. It gives you energy.
Energy. Yes, I need energy in the morning.
You know that morning feeling, the meh feeling? You feel slow, you don't want to do anything.
Yes, the meh feeling. I know it very well.
Move for 10 minutes and it stops that meh mood. It gives you good energy. It lifts your happiness.
That's true. A happy song and a little dancing, I'll feel cheerful in minutes.
So, step 1, water. Step 2, 10 minutes of movement.
I can do this. My brain has water. My body has energy. I'm ready. What's next? Step 3?
Step 3 is very, very important. Focus time.
Focus time. What's that?
It's time with no distractions.
No distractions.
No distractions, my phone.
My phone. But Jimmy, I look at my phone first thing in the morning. I check messages. I scroll social media.
I know. Everyone does. It becomes a habit. But the phone goes beep, beep, beep.
Yes, so many messages. So many pictures.
So many things to look at.
So many things to look at.
Those are all distractions. They pull your brain this way, that way. Your thoughts start running.
Oh, so my brain isn't focused. It's busy.
Exactly. Very busy. Your morning is special. It's quiet. It's your time. It's the time for deep work, deep focus.
Deep focus. I like the sound of that.
So the tip is no phone for the first 30 minutes of your day. Can you do it?
Wow, 30 minutes with no phone. That's tough. But okay, I want to try.
It's hard at first, but it's worth it. Your brain gets quiet. Your mind becomes focused. You're not reacting to messages. You're acting. You're in control.
I like that. I'm in control.
So what do you do for those 30 minutes? No phone, no messages.
This is my focus time. I can do one important thing for me.
For you, like what?
Well, you can plan your day. Take a notebook and a pen. Write down the 1, 2, or 3 important things you must do today.
Like go to the supermarket or finish my report.
Exactly. When you write it down, your brain relaxes. You have a plan. You're not stressed.
That's a great idea. Just 5 minutes to plan the day. What else can I do in my focus time?
This is also a perfect moment for quiet time. Time for your mind and your spirit. It really matters.
What do people do in quiet time?
Some people meditate.
Meditate.
Yes, they sit very still. They close their eyes and simply breathe in and out. It helps your mind feel calm and peaceful.
That sounds lovely. The world is so loud. Quiet is good.
It is. Or some people pray. They talk to God.
Yes, prayer is very important for many people. A beautiful way to start the day.
Exactly. Or maybe you read something good, something inspiring.
Inspiring. You mean something that makes me feel strong and encouraged.
Yes, a good book. Some people read the Bible, maybe just one page or one chapter.
Yes. A little reading is very good for the mind.
So you've got planning, you've got quiet time like meditation or prayer or reading.
These are all great ideas. And no phone.
No phone.
And Bella, this focus time is perfect for study. Think about it. Your brain has water, your body has energy, your mind is quiet. It's the best time to learn.
Wow, that makes sense. My brain is fresh, it's ready.
Exactly. And what can our listeners study?
They can study English.
Yes, use this focus time to study English.
That's a perfect idea. Maybe you study English for 15 minutes or 20 minutes every morning.
Wow, every morning. That's a powerful routine.
You can listen to a podcast. Wink, like Talk Walk English.
Yes, listen to us while you drink your water.
Or you can read one page in an English book or learn 5 new English words.
If you do that every day, wow, your English will grow so fast.
It's true. A little every day is very powerful.
I love this plan. But Bella, to do all this, I need time. What time is good to wake up? 5 a.m.?
Ooh, 5 a.m. is early. Some people love 5 a.m. It's very, very quiet. The world is sleeping.
Yes, the sun isn't up.
But 5 a.m. isn't for everyone, and that's okay.
Good, maybe 6 a.m. works, or 6:30 a.m.
Yeah, 6 a.m. is a good target. I think I can do 6 a.m.
The key is to wake up a little earlier than you have to leave. You need time for you.
Ah, yes. Not beep, beep, beep. Jump out of bed, sprint, coffee, run, stressed.
Exactly. No stressed running. You wake up and you have time.
So I have time for my water.
Yes.
I have time for my 10 minutes of movement.
Yes.
And I have time for my 30 minutes of focus, my English study, my planning, or my quiet time.
You've got it. And then?
And then?
Then you can have your coffee.
Yes, the coffee and a good breakfast.
Yes, and you start your day not tired, not stressed. You're ready. You're productive.
You've got a good mindset, a strong way of thinking.
Exactly.
Bella, this is a fantastic plan, and it's so simple.
It really is. Let's review the steps one more time so everyone remembers.
Great idea. Step 1, drink water before coffee. Hydrate your brain.
Step 2, move your body, just 10 minutes. Stretch, walk, or dance.
The dancing step, I'm going to remember that one.
And step 3, focus time, no phone.
During focus time, I can plan my day.
Yes, and you can have quiet time, meditate, pray, read, or you can study English.
It's the perfect time to study English. Your brain is fresh and ready.
Yes, it's all about building a strong, steady routine.
I'm going to try this tomorrow morning. I'll drink my water, I'll dance, and I'll study my English.
That sounds like the perfect morning.
Wow, our time is flying. It's almost the end of the episode.
I know. Talking about good mornings is fun. I feel energized now.
Me too. Well, thank you, Jimmy, for this great plan.
You're welcome, Bella, and thank you to everyone for listening today.
Yes, thank you all so much. We hope these tips help you build a powerful, productive morning.
And before we go, please, if you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Talk Walk English. We have new, fun episodes for you every week.
And please give this episode a like. It tells us you enjoyed the topic. And share it with your friends. Maybe you and a friend can try the morning routine together.
That's a great idea. And we have a question for you.
Oh, yes. In the comments below, tell us one thing you do for a good morning.
Yes, do you drink water?
Do you like to read?
Or do you study English in the morning?
We love reading your answers. It's such a fun way to practice writing in English.
It really is. Well, thank you again, everyone.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful morning tomorrow.
Goodbye for now.
Bye-bye.